Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're just showing the background all these things. Anyways, I am doing instant lock, and right here Shawnie introduced me to a style that I actually like I really like it, and it's easy. It's so easy. Only thing, this is the hardest part. I didn't do this, she did it, so I can't even attest to see how hard or how long it takes. But I see it's a very creative style. So what I do, I just attach it to her hair and just finish the process. Basically, I'm gonna show you how it's done, and then I just twist it as I go. And then she get instant locks. Yeah. So I already sectioned it off, right? I'm gonna take one of these already made dreads and place this part on this part. Okay, and that's how you attached. I'm gonna take this neat little needle. It's like a double crochet needle, and basically just gonna go in, out, in, out. So what it does, that this little part on the crochet needle pulls the hair in and out, so it creates a knot, and that's what you lock it with, right? It's gonna keep going in and out real fast, right? After you finish like a set, you turn, okay? Or you could turn while you're going as well.
Come on, baby, come back. Spicy, come back.
There we go. You can pause it.